Hey, what's up? I'm Ambitious Anthony, and thank you for joining me on AMTV. So I decided to start this program called Tut Like an Egyptian. Basically, it's a program that will take a beginner, someone who has no experience, and can build them up into a professional level tutter who can battle, freestyle, and understands the dimensions of what the style is. A lot of people get stuck in 2D tuts, but this one's going to allow you to work into 3D-dimensional and allow you to really control and understand your space. Now, I found that a lot of the times online, with a lot of tutorials I've seen in the past, they tend to not show you the basics. So this one should help you understand the basics and the foundation, and you should be able to learn from any tutting tutorial / watch freestyles and understand exactly what they're doing. Drill these techniques into your body until you don't even have to think about doing the moves. I have almost 20 years of experience teaching dance, and I find a lot of the times online in tutting tutorials they don't teach the basics. So this program is going to help you understand the basics and work you slowly up to like a professional level tutter. One that can battle, one that can freestyle, or just show off to all your friends, or just get down in a cipher. If you want me to see your videos, hashtag AMTuts2020. At me on Instagram, at Mr. Ambitious A, and I'll check them out. I hope you guys enjoy this, and why settle for less? Be ambitious. Hey, 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 hey.